Hi there, welcome to Ray's Toolbox. I'm Ray. Today we're going to take this stack of 2x4s and make a wedding arch. Before you get started, make sure you know what shape that people want. This couple would like to have a flat arch on the top of it. They don't want anything higher than them, so to speak. If you want something like a point above and between you, you can go with a 7-sided arch. That way you can hang some flowers, wedding bells, whatever they want from the peak and kind of be part of the picture. But they just want a simple 6-sided arch, so let's get started.
So we want to make a hexagon, so 6 sides. A circle has 360 degrees, so we're going to divide that by 6. It gives us 60 degrees for each joint. So half of that gives us 30. So at the end of each board, we're going to cut at 30 degrees. So with the chop saw set at 30 degrees, I need 6 pieces for each hexagon. We have 2 hexagons for this arch, so I need 12 pieces. Both piece has the 30-degree angle cut on either end. Each piece measures 48 inches on the longer side from point to point. I used 3.5 and 4-inch long deck screws to join the 2x4s together. The hexagons will be 8 foot from point to point, measuring across it. It's going to make the whole unit 83 inches tall. I needed to fasten the 2 hexagons together, or rather apart. I cut 12 2x4s to 18 inches long to go between the 2 hexagons. This makes the total unit 21 inches wide. I placed the braces 8 inches in from the corners. The finish on this will have a burnt finish, so we simply take a torch and slowly, but not too slow, go across the wood, and it burns the softer grain, leaving the harder grain between the seasons raised a little bit. You can see it makes the nice pattern there.
Alright, I'm going to keep turning it and keep burning the wood. I don't want to get too close to the floor because I know me. See you in a minute.
We have it all finished up. I just have the 2 screws in each corner, so it's not going to be really sturdy yet. So I need to put some plates in the back side so you can't see them quite as well to reinforce it. These plates are what they use to put trusses together with in a house. So I'm going to paint them black and use a couple to help hold the arch together. It should be strong enough for what is going to be on it, but just in case there's a child or two that decides to spring from it, this isn't going to cure that. Hopefully you'll give enough of a leeway for someone to tell them, hey, get down from there. So we're going to paint these up, and then we'll put them on the arch as soon as we get finished. I like to say as soon as they dry. And that's not going to help. But oh well. Better to leave them alone. I'll fix them in a bit. I just used 12 plates, put one on the back side of each one of the junctions. Remember, when you do this, the plates are really sharp on the back. They do their job. I chose to use polyurethane to soak into the wood and go over the burnt finish. It does a good job of sealing the wood. I'm going to give it 2 coats of this. I happen to use the water poly this time. It has the same nice finish to it. Makes cleanup a lot easier. I hope you like our video. If you haven't yet, please take the time to subscribe to our channel. That way it'll be easier to find us. It helps us in the rankings just a little bit. Hope to see you soon. Thanks.